Hello, welcome to Astronautic for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayeshola Ogundele. Space Odyssey technological concepts, depictions, and adaptations, revolutionary concepts of the 21st century. In the 21st century, Space Odyssey's numerous futuristic technological concepts are proving prescient considering various technological developments ongoing around the world. Some of the concepts have become reality, and some are continuing to inspire modern innovation in artificial intelligence and computing, space exploration, commercial space, space tourism, advanced propulsion, communication, and personal technology. In coming up with the technological ideas, Stanley Kubrick and Arthur Clarke sought technical ideas from various organizations and NASA scientists who helped in the accurate portrayal of spacecraft and vacuum. The most notable technological idea of the 2001 A Space Odyssey is the artificial intelligence, illustrated through the character of the HAL 9000 computer. HAL serves as the brain and the self-aware computer system that controls all aspects of the Discovery 1 spaceship and was one of the most famous and influential depictions of artificial intelligence. Our computer performance highlights the dangers of humanity's complete reliance on advanced technology, a cautionary tale about the potential risk of creating machines that surpass human control, and the need for responsible artificial intelligence development and oversight. In the area of space exploration, it offered a highly realistic vision of space travel. Furthermore, it envisioned advanced propulsion technologies for deep space travel to Jupiter, inspiring current research into systems such as all thrusters, which could significantly cut travel time to Mars. The focus points are as follows: Space Odyssey technologies adaptations and Space Odyssey technological concepts and depictions. Space Odyssey technologies adaptations. 2001 A Space Odyssey, developed by Stanley Kubrick and Clarke with the guidance of experts from NASA, IBM, and other firms, explored numerous technological concepts, many of which were highly prescient considering subsequent developments around the world. Key concepts included advanced artificial intelligence, realistic spacecraft design, and everyday use of futuristic devices such as tablet computers and personal video communication. 2001 A Space Odyssey spacecraft is illustrated in this picture. Space Odyssey technological concepts are artificial intelligence and computing, space exploration and travel, communication and personal technology, automation and daily life, and navigation and information management. Artificial intelligence and computing. The most notable technological idea is the HAL 9000 computer, a sentient artificial intelligence that controls systems of the Discovery 1 spacecraft and interacts with the human crew. HAL refers to as a heuristically programmed algorithmic computer. Possesses a range of human-like intelligence and emotional capabilities. Museum replica model of the Discovery 1 showing the main spaceship featured is shown in this picture. Demonstrated artificial intelligence capabilities are as follows: voice recognition and interaction. The film accurately predicted the use of natural language conversation with artificial intelligence assistance, much like modern-day systems of Alexa or Siri. Integrated systems. HAL manages all ship functions from navigation to life support, a precursor to modern integrated smart systems. Biometric security. HAL uses voice print identification in order to confirm the identity of the crew members, a concept that is commonplace today with fingerprint scanners and for recognition. A spacesuit helmet featured in the film is illustrated in this picture. Other demonstrated artificial intelligence capabilities are advanced diagnostics. HAL is depicted playing and winning a complex chess game, demonstrating advanced computational power and problem solving. Speech synthesis and recognition. HAL communicates in a calm conversational voice, automated reasoning and decision making. 2001 A Space Odyssey R9000 computing is illustrated in this picture. Space exploration and travel is another technical concept from the Space Odyssey. Simulated gravity. The discovery of one spacecraft and the last space station used rotating sections, centrifuge, in order to create artificial gravity through centrifugal force, allowing the crew to live and work normally. Zero gravity environments. Kubrick and his team meticulously depicted the physics of zero gravity, including practical solutions such as specialized zero gravity toilets and a simple floating pen. Illustration of Space Odyssey spaceship is shown in this picture. Detailed spacecraft and interiors. Vehicles were designed with functional components and labels for buttons and screens, aiming for a plausible engineered look. Suspended animation. The use of human hibernation for the long journey to Jupiter, Saturn in the novel to manage crew needs and resources. Space stations and commercial space travel. The film showed large rotating space stations, a concept that has been realized with the International Space Station. 2001 Space Odyssey attachment of an astronaut in the spaceship is shown in this picture. Advanced propulsion. The movie envisioned advanced propulsion technologies for this space travel to Jupiter, inspiring current research into systems such as all thrusters, detailed instrument panel and displays. The cockpit featured sophisticated information-rich glass cockpits, which became standard in aircraft and space shuttles decades later. Images from the 2001 Space Odyssey is shown in this picture. Communication and personal technology is another aspect of technological concept of 2001 Space Odyssey. Many everyday technologies were also accurately predicted decades before their actual invention. Flat screen displays and tablets. Characters use portable flat screen devices resembling modern tablets or iPads. Video phones or video calls. The use of video communication was prevalent, a clear precursor to modern services such as FaceTime and Zoom. Two frames from 2001 A Space Odyssey showing a flying bone and a satellite in space is shown in this picture. In-flight entertainment. The Ares Moon Shuttle featured sit-back entertainment displays, a service that became standard in commercial aviation many years later. Automated meal preparation. The ideal of instant automated food preparation was shown, hinting at smart kitchen appliances and future robotic chefs. Zero gravity effect, a scene from 2001 A Space Odyssey, is shown in this picture. Automation and daily life. The film shows food being prepared automatically at the push of a button, a concept reflected in modern automated kitchen appliances and development of robotic chefs. Interactive fitness equipment. Dave Boldman is shown juggling on a treadmill-like device with interactive elements in zero gravity. Starchild looking upon the earth is shown in this picture. Other automation and daily life technological concepts are biometric security. HAL 9000 uses voice recognition for identification, a system that foreshadowed modern biometric security measures such as voice print, fingerprint, and scanners. In-flight entertainment. The commercial space shuttle featured sit-back entertainment screens, a standard amenity now in commercial air travel today. Fictional Discovery One spaceship, shown in the film 2001 A Space Odyssey, is shown in this picture. Navigation and information management. Personal information consoles. Author Clarke predicted that people will have in their homes, a console to access all the information they needed for everyday life, such as bank statements and theater reservations, a feature that maps directly to the capabilities of the modern internet and personal computers. Astronauts inside the spaceship of 2001 Space Odyssey is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been listening to Space Odyssey, Technological Concepts, Depictions, and Adaptations, Revolutionary Concepts of the 21st Century by Dr. Ayenshola Ogundele, with a focus point, Space Odyssey Technologies Adaptations, and Space Odyssey Technological Concepts and Depictions. Thank you.